Hi, this is the video to find out square root of such numbers, and first of all we will reduce this term in simplest form so that we can solve it properly, and then we will find out square root of that number. Fine. So first of all we need to find out square root of, let us write the number 69, 71, 4901 plus 1. Fine. Now we try to reduce this in simplest form and try to write these numbers in terms of the zeros. For example, 69 can be written as the nearest easily solvable number is usually the numbers which are having zeros on the right hand side of it. So the number which is near to 69 is 70, so we can write 69 as 70 minus 1, right? Then multiplied. So in the same way, the number which is nearest to 71, which can be easily solvable, is 70 plus 1. As we are writing these numbers in such forms, the value of this term has not been changed. Okay, the value has been remaining the same. We are simply writing the simplest form so that we can calculate it in a more easy way. And just write 4901. We can write 4901 as 4900 plus 1, then plus 1, right? Now consider these two values. Do you remember the formula for a square minus b square? We know a minus b when multiplied to a plus b, this will give us value a square plus b square, right? So we will apply this formula over here. Then what we will write, this will become a minus b, a plus b, it will become a square, means a square is 70 square plus b square, b is the second term, plus 1 square. Fine. And the another term that we already had was, just write this in bracket, multiplied by 4900 plus 1 plus 1. Now just solve it a little bit more. 70 square will be equals to 7 sevens are 49, and double zero will come over here, 4900, and 1 square is equals to 1. Then again, sorry, I just wrote this wrong. A minus b, a plus b is actually is equals to a square minus b square, right? So here you need to write a square minus b square. Fine. It will be this much. I'm sorry for this. Then 4900 plus 1, then outside we have 1 already. So again we will apply this formula. This is a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. Again this formula will be applicable over here, and we will write 4900 whole square minus 1 square and plus 1 outside. Fine. The next step is just to open these brackets. We will have 4900 square minus 1 square plus 1. This will be cancelled out, right? So we will be left with only 4900 square. This will be cancelled out and we will be left with 4900, and this is the answer of the above equation, above expression. In the beginning we had this, and we find square root of this number, which has given us the value of 4900. Fine. In such ways we can find any other number also, and we can find the square root of those numbers in such ways, right? And thank you so much for watching.